Hello guys, today I will show you the configuration on the Fortigate with a static IP access to the internet. Okay, I have the okay, and integrate with the Cisco switch on the core switch. Okay, the first I rename it the inside. Inside is the connect to the core switch. IP management connect IP connection connect to the core switch. Okay. And I set the IP 10.10.10.1 and slash 24 bit on the Fortigate, and on the core switch I set the 10.10.10.2. Okay, and interface 1 is to connect to the internet on okay, now we test ping to the internet. Ping now it's not reachable. We need to add the static route, default route go to the internet while the interface 1 is the okay. Then the next hop is the 10 dot the 195.6.1. Okay, after we add the static route we ping to the internet again. Okay, now ping is okay to the internet over Fortigate. I can ping to the internet, so we go back to the core switch, and on the core switch I have two VLAN 10 for the IT and VLAN 20 for the AFD is accounting. Okay. Okay, now we configure on the core switch with the first we configure the IP on interface. They connect to the switch the Fortigate. Okay, we set the IP 10.10.10.2 and slash 24 bit. Okay, after we set the IP and we tapping to the Fortigate is okay for IP connection from the core switch to the Fortigate. And after we create the VLAN 10 for the LAN IT and VLAN 20 for the AFD. Okay. And we export port on the core switch that access to the ICD with access port to the VLAN 10 and LSD we access to the VLAN 20 for the accounting. And after we set the IP on the PC of IT. Okay, we need to set the IP on the core switch first. The interface VLAN 10 and interface VLAN 20. I set the interface VLAN 10 with the IP 10.10.1.1 for 24 bit. VLAN 20 10.20.1.1 and /24 bit. Okay, after we set the IP on the PC again, and we tapping to the gateway. Okay, after we set IP and we tapping to the gateway on the core switch. Okay, now we can ping to the gateway. It's okay. After we go to the IPC of accounting, EFD. Okay, now we tapping to the gateway. Now it's not reachable. We will go back on the core switch. Check the IP is correct or not on the VLAN 20. Okay. This is the wrong IP. We will change the IP 10.20.1.100 and gateway 10.20.1.1. Okay, now it's okay. We can ping to the gateway on the core switch. And now we test ping to the internet is not reachable. So we need to add the static route, default route on the core switch. Go through the next hop or the Fortigate. Okay, we add the static route 10.10.10 .0.0.0 and /0. The next hop is the 10.10.10.1 on the core switch on the Fortigate. Okay, we need to into the Fortigate for we add the static route, go back to the core switch and allow the policy for the LAN inside, go to the internet. Okay, we allow the policy from interface inside. Interface inside is interface that the link to the core switch, and we will allow go to the interface internet. Okay, inside we go to the internet. We allow all. Okay, and after we allow already from LAN to internet, and after we need to add the routing from go back to the core switch. We add the route from 10.0.0.0 and slash 24 bit and slash 8 bit, because our LAN on the core switch is the LAN.10.10 and LAN.20. So I will add the static route 10.0.0.0 and slash 8 bit is the bit subnet mask. Okay. 10.10.2 is the IP on the core switch. I will rename it route to the core switch. Okay, after we add the route now over PC, now the PC of the ITD can ping to the internet. Okay. Okay, for the configuration on the Fortigate access to the internet is the finished.